using a recursive bisection algorithm to check if character is in string. I am currently doing the programming course over at edX, and my instructions are as follows. Using the idea of bisection search, write a recursive algorithm that checks if a character is included within a string, as long as the string is in alphabetical order. My code, Python 2.7, is here. My explanation. I first start by finding the middle character of the string. If it equals the character, it returns false. If it does not equal the character, it goes on to check whether the character is lower than the middle character, and then using the recursive function to create the stacks and ultimately return a Boolean value of true. Now I used the -1 and 1 index, as I do not want to include the middle character. Instead of a solution, I would rather get hints, as I am still trying to figure it out, but a different perspective never hurts. Thanks.
The function is never returning true. I think it should return true when char equals m, so you could delete it from the if clause, that is returning false, and put it in another if. Also, you are calling isin method which is not defined. I think you wanted to recursively call isotin. After comparing char is lower than m and char is greater than m, you should bisect the string, so don't do return isotin, char, column -1, nor return isin, char, 1 column, instead pass, in the recursive call, the half of the string. Edit, just in case, the code I've tried is.
Overall, your code looks pretty good, but I would take a closer look at your first if statement. In particular, you're checking to see if the char is equal to the middle char. What would you want to return if your character was equal to the middle character? Also, you need to make sure that all paths can be reached by your algorithm. Under what conditions would true be returned by your function?
I think this code can work properly. Just I sorted the string before checking for character m.
This also works. Slightly shorter as well.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.